Now, this question asks, how does the pressure exerted change when the whole setup is brought to the moon? Most of the students mentioned that the pressure will change, but you did not specify. Now, since the question say how, you have to either say that the pressure increase or decrease. You cannot be very vague about it. Okay, so you must indicate what kind of change it is. Secondly, many students mentioned that there is a change of gravitational field strength on the moon, and therefore a pressure will also change. But the thing is, there is no formula that links pressure to gravitational field strength. So you need to provide a link between the change in gravitational field strength and the pressure in order to get the marks. So basically, you need to mention that on the moon, you have a smaller gravitational field strength, and therefore you will get a smaller gravitational force because W equals to mg, right? So smaller g, so smaller W. Then you mentioned that pressure is force over area. This force over here is actually your W. So therefore, when the W changes, your pressure will change. You cannot directly mention G and link it to pressure. So you can see the answer over here that the moon has a smaller gravitational field strength, so there is a smaller gravitational force. Then you mentioned it's important for you to support your answer with a formula or a concept. So you have to define what pressure is. Pressure is force per unit area. And now, because the force is smaller, so therefore the pressure is smaller. It will also be good for you to state that in this case, whether you're on the moon or on Earth, the contact area is the same because you did not touch the setup. It's the same setup that we are talking about. So please be very specific in your answer and make sure that the different quantities in the questions, you link them together.